Good morning, students. Coming back with the first chapter, Introduction to Chemistry. So, whatever I taught in the last two classes, I think all of you understood properly. Okay, then today I'm going to discuss about the first topic, importance of chemistry in daily life. The most amazing fact about chemistry is that it is an integral part of our life. Every component of our surroundings, such as the water we drink, the air we inhale and exhale, the food we consume, and most of the substances that we use in our daily life involve various chemical substances and chemical processes. In fact, the human body is also made up of chemical substances like sodium, calcium, iron, minerals, and vitamins. There are many more examples that we use in our daily life involve various chemical substances. The first example is water, which constitutes about 70% of the human body, is made up of two chemical substances, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Next, number 2 example is air, that is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases. Next, number 3 example that we use in our daily life, that is soaps, liquid cleaners and detergents. These are made of chemicals like sodium carbonate and potassium carbonate. And the most important example is food. The food that we consume is made up of variety of compounds. The chemical substances like carbohydrates, proteins and fats are present in our food. So, have I made myself clear, students? What is the importance of chemistry in our daily life? Okay, now I will go to the next topic, use of chemistry in various fields. And under this, let us look at how chemistry is used in food industry and field. Chemistry has a great impact on our everyday life. Chemicals derived directly from the natural sources or synthetically obtained that help us in preserving food items from spoilage and to increase their shelf life. They also help us to analyze the nutrients that is present in the food for our better use and to develop novel or improved varieties of food. So, the question is now, what is food processing and what is food preservation? Food processing is the conversion of raw ingredients by either physical or chemical means into food. These food items are usually packed in cans or boxes. You know, children, there are many methods that are used for the processing of food, like canning, pickling, fermentation, freezing and refrigeration, pasteurization, irradiation, and dehydration. There are many examples of processed food like soft drinks, cheese, bread, milk, tinned vegetables, and meat products. So, is it clear what is food processing? Next question was food preservation. So, what is food preservation? Preservation of food is the process of preventing the spoilage of different food items that need to be stored for long periods. And it includes retaining their color, taste, and nutritive value. Food preservation helps us in many ways. Like number one, to prevent ourselves from falling sick due to consumption of contaminated food. Next, number two, to take care of the excess food produced or grown. Number three, to add variety in food by making different fruits and vegetables available during off-season. Next, number four, to lengthen the shelf life of food by slowing down the spoilage of food caused by microorganisms. Next, number five, to transport food to areas where it is not grown. Number six, to make transportation and storage of food easier. Number seven, to supply food to hospitals, airlines, trains, etc. So these are the ways that food preservation helps. There are some techniques used for food preservations like number one, sun drying, number two, heating, number three, salting, number four, sugaring, number five, using oil and vinegar, number six, pasteurization, number seven, freezing, number eight, canning, number nine, using chemical preservatives. And these methods of food preservation I will discuss on the next class in detail. So children, till now that I taught today, revise the portion properly. Okay? Thank you children.